And this is what is today? May the 4th, 2022. Today's Wednesday, and it's going to be nice and overcast all day today. We got a north wind that came in, I think around 16 miles an hour or so, pushing back toward the shore here. So hopefully we don't have to drive as far to reach clear water or clean water because of that. So that being said, let's go. Out here this morning, or this afternoon rather, just working the throttle and watching the waves. We're only going about maybe 7 miles an hour. Pretty nice waves out here, like this one right here. Ooh, it's a rough one. Oh, more flag over. Got fish on here? Fish on. I need to mark that. Nah, that's pretty much the same one. Somebody out there. Somebody crazy enough to come fishing today. Woo! Somebody crazy enough to come fishing today. Like a decent one. Not even 20. Yeah, I just like the little walleye right there. Ooh, down to 7, he's making a run for the boat. Oh, that's nice. Woo! Fish on 65 again. Woo-wee! I'm having to take a sit-down approach today. Them waves are it's a rough one. Decent eater of walleye right there. I'm going to have to sit my butt down. Woo! Fish on. 65. Well, I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it's a lot calmer now than what it was before. I went up a little bit further north, and the wind has just settled down. The lake settled down a little bit. nice one. There we go. Nice one. Three more will be good. But you know what happened? I keep telling you guys this. I just started to eat that sandwich, and that's when the flag went down. Fish on. I didn't realize I had one on this other board. There we go. Got another one. Alright, how many more we need? 1, 2, 3, 4. Need 2 more. Fish on. Nice eater one. That's what we're gonna do. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Fish on. Got him down to 34. That about wore me out there. Alright. Well, that's a nice one to end it on. Alright. Well, it's time to run it on back in. It's getting late. I gotta get that boat charged up for tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching, and you all have a blessed day.